Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment from a Euro Turkish lira perspective? So let's start from the monthly time frame. On the monthly, what we can clearly see is that the market has created this very nice W formation. Now, after a W formation, what do you expect the market to do? You expect the market to make a move to the downside, to basically go to test and complete the pattern at the neckline. Now the neckline, in other words, is simply the previous resistance, which is now turned support, and that is the completion area for the pattern. So from the monthly time frame, we can expect the market to make this move to the downside. So immediately we have our overall directional bias on this pair. If we go and see what is the situation from a weekly perspective, on the weekly, we can see that the market has basically created a very overextended impulse to the upside, and we can expect the market to finally make a deeper retracement and possibly complete the pattern that we would like the market to complete from a monthly perspective. What we can also notice is that basically at the moment we are rejecting this resistance area here from a monthly perspective. We can see all these wicks, and the market is now approaching exactly this same area, and we want to see from here a nice move to the downside. Now from a daily perspective, what kind of situation we have? Now on the daily, what we can see is that the market has already shown some exhaustion with this candle, and we might actually be ready to make the move to the downside, but we first have to see proper confirmations, because the market, as you know, still hasn't actually created a lower low. Everything is still bullish, even if the market seems to have been basically failing to create a higher high. Now, if we go and see what kind of situation we have from a COT perspective, so what hedge funds are doing at the moment from a Euro point of view, let's go and check it out, because definitely it will help us understand the overall situation in the market at the moment. So let's go and get our Euro data. What we can see that overall hedge funds with the last reports have been adding a lot of Euro shorts. They actually added 5,391 shorts with the last report. In fact, what we can see is that overall net positions are decreasing. We were at 86k, we are now at 76k, even if there has been basically some longs adding as well, but shorts are outweighing the longs, and in fact, as you can see, the short exposure is also growing. Going back to our chart, what kind of situation can we basically expect, and how we can be looking for a possible capitalizing opportunity on this pair? Now, at the moment, the market is clearly not ready to give us an entry signal. However, how we will be approaching this with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bullish market to a bearish market and provide to us one of our valid entries. If from a 4-hour perspective, we will see the market shift from a bullish market to a bearish market and provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking this nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for a nice move to the downside and completion of the monthly pattern that we have already identified. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.